So we got a replacement. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So I got a quick update for you. The agency power. I don't know how, but yeah, it broke loose. See, that's no good. So right here, where it connects with the stem, goes through the ball. You see how shallow that is? Like through. That is not all the way through. So I don't believe that this threads all the way through. I'm kind of thinking that maybe this ball and the stem are a separate unit instead of being manufactured together, which is why it's able to break loose. So I did wind up on short notice purchasing the Boomba, which, you know, was obviously a bit more expensive, but the overall construction looks to be the same. Let me get this off real quick. You in there. So I need you to do something for me. First, get out of full screen. All right. You see down there the subscribe. I want you to click that. All right. Good. And then right next to it, there's a bell. You see the options? You press the bell. Press the bell. Okay. Pick all. You got it? Good. All right. Let's go full screen again. So the one thing that is different is you'll see down here, see how much deeper that comes through. So I think that is going to help out a lot. And then the threads up on top, you see that little chamfer right there versus down here where it goes all the way through. I'm not sure if that's going to make a big difference or not, but if you look at it, the overall setup is roughly the same. I hope to God that this is set up more similar to the OEM style, where it's complete aluminum or steel, whatever, all the way through, with then the wax molded around it. So here we go, number 2. If it winds up not working, then trust me, you guys will know. Yeah, so as far as the short shifter modification goes, I do still support it. I think it is a good change to make from the OEM shifter. Whichever way you want to go is up to you. Ford does have one that is a complete bolt down. You don't have to rip anything. Well, I mean, you do have to rip stuff apart. You have to open up your center console and then take out the old one and bolt in the new one. That one is made of billet aluminum as well, similar to the other ones. And it reduces the throws up to like something like 20% overall, on top of whatever other trans mounted adjustments that you make. But this, that's no good. Now, to be honest, I don't know if that broke loose from me messing around trying to get my aftermarket shift knob aligned. But regardless, if it can't handle a little bit of hand torquing, you know what I mean, then if you're trying to aggressively drive, like, what's this gonna do? You know what I mean? So just driving, you get like a good, like, that's like, I don't even know how much. I would say ½ inch. I felt like a ¼ inch, but based on the way that's moving, I would say that's probably like a ½ inch. And you know, that's just dangerous while you're driving. So as far as the agency power goes, that's a no-no. Explains why it's on clearance. So the one that I replaced it with was Boomba Racing. That one was $207 off of eBay. I believe it's like 217 on their actual website. I'll put the link down below to the eBay, to the eBay side of things. I'll link their website as well. And, you know, hopefully this one holds up. I already have the shift knob and everything on like that, lined it up, applied a little bit of hand torquing to it. Nothing busted loose. So fingers crossed, wrench daily.